India is experiencing yet another metabolic disaster, that is GLP-1 drugs. GLP-1 is an incretin hormone naturally produced inside our body. Your gut microbiome could be synthesizing fibre or polyphenols in certain foods, and even certain beneficial compounds in olive oil to secrete GLP-1, which plays a key role in satiety regulation, blood sugar control, and even positively impacting our heart health. These drugs could be ineffective or at worst could have harmful impact on our biology. The effectiveness of these drugs depends upon our gut microbiome. Certain gut microbes may be expressing certain genes which may make these drugs effective and beneficial, while other microbes may be expressing virulence genes and may make these drugs ineffective. Second, there are certain microbes which, when expressing a particular protein or protease, could degrade GLP-1, and therefore it could make these drugs ineffective. Third, these drugs are claimed to activate a particular enzyme called endothelial nitric oxide synthase, which is said to stimulate nitric oxide production. Now we know that nitric oxide could dilate blood vessels, regulate glucose uptake and initiate insulin signaling. However, if this enzyme is uncoupled with or is not coupled with the endothelial cells, it will not stimulate nitric oxide production, and there will be no glucose uptake and there will be no benefit of this drug. Fourth thing, there are numerous side effects of these drugs because these drugs acts as artificial brake, and it can slow down the movement of food along digestive tract, which could lead to constipation, bloating, and number of other issues. Besides, if once you withdraw these drugs, you will again, gain weight, and there is a research around it. So rather than, just subscribing to these drugs, it is better to actually understand why we have GLP-1 deficiency and how we can stimulate certain biochemical functions that can increase the production of GLP-1.